Hi guys, Lovin here from Isham Car Sales, and today we're going to look at Volkswagen Touran 1.6 diesel engine. Let's have a look around it. This Touran is priced £6,300 only and is the perfect affordable family car. It's got a 1.6 diesel engine, 105 horsepower, excellent miles per gallon. We've got the roof racks as well for extra storage if needs be. We've got 15-inch Misano alloys as well. And then it's a 7-seater. The car is absolutely fantastic. It's very spacious. It's gonna have plenty of space for those exceptional trips. Inside the spacious cabin you will find Charlie cloth upholstery with 3-spoke steering wheel, heaps of storage. We've got a pollen filter as well, the ISOFIX preparation. And the one good thing that this car has is the cruise control. I've got a multifunction computer with anti-theft technology and 6-speed manual transmission. Once again, to sum up, we've got this fantastic family car, priced at £6,300. Come at Isham Car Sales to see me Lovin for a test drive.